Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Just a review of the mod function in TRUNC. I get a lot of questions about mod, so let's just clarify it. Do we have a whole number here? Is this miscellaneous number a whole number? Here, what does mod do? It returns the remainder after dividing. If there's a remainder, then no, it's not a whole number. Here, we're going to use TRUNC. B5, TRUNC B5. B5 is equal TRUNC B5. All we're doing is trunking this number. Truncates a number to a specified number of digits. If we look here, we're going to look to see what that number is. Number, F9, 9, is 9. Go down here. What is the number, F9? And 7.3625. We're stripping and then we're making it a whole number. The 6.325, just look here, do this, equals, if we trunk it, that's what the trunk would look like. Otherwise, no, we're asking his whole number. So mod, here's the mod formula. It's just showing the divisor. If there's a divisor, no, it's not a whole number. So looking through here, 0, negatives, okay. Go back, this is just the fundamentals. We can use integer, we can use trunc, we can do all kinds of different variations to determine a whole number. Mod does a pretty good job. This is just fundamental. This is stuff that we just forget. We simply forget. Here in the trunc, what we're doing is B5. The trunc is going to remove any decimal. If B5 doesn't have a decimal, well, B5 is going to equal trunc, which is going to equal 9. Here we have 73.625 ends up equal to 73. That indicates it's not a whole number. Could use integer. Keep in mind we have these negative numbers. We want these negative numbers to stay consistent. An integer may throw off that, well, because what is the integer going to do? It's going to, the integer value in negative numbers, just keep in mind, it's going to roll down. It's going to roll down, so if you have an integer, it could impact the result. Keep that in mind. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.